Review of Advanced Micro Products. This stock looks like price is going up while earnings is not good. Earnings rank is 42.9, below 50. That means more than 50% of companies that is tracked in our track list of 680 stocks are better than Advanced Micro Products on their profit growth. This is actual numbers based on the company's profits that has been declared. On that only this ranking is being made. So there is no bias here. Whatever is actual numbers that is getting ranked and where the company stands on the whole set of stocks that is being tracked is what the rankings are. On price rank, it is at 79.7, very good. If you see the rank chart, it was at 86.5 in July, went up close to 92, and afterwards it slowly declined to 79.7 now. This decline can be for two reasons. One, the stock is not made significant upside in the last 4 or 5 months, or it started dropping. We can see that when we go to the chart section. For now, this stock is losing attraction. That's why we put this image here. This girl is waiting there. She's not getting attracted. Coming to business growth, there is one big mountain here. Profit zooms. That is actually not good. Sales is having slow increase. Slowly sales is increasing. Profit has a big jump and falls back. That is not good. So it went crazy. That's why we put this image here. When such kind of big jumps happen, it happened in December and March quarter. After that, in June, it peaked and dropped. Now, the company is having a negative, it's even declared loss in September. That's why it is hitting a downside. So, such kind of surges and all is not good. Probably after this surge happened is what stock could have gone sideways. We can see it when we go to the chart. Looking at the investors, retail have been investing in this stock for a very long time. From September 2019 to June 2020, their increase is somewhere around 5% on the overall exposure. Retail has very good exposure in this stock. Close to 35-36% is held by retail. Mutual funds have been selling the stock. FIIs have been selling. Domestic institutions are holding it. Insurance don't have a presence at all. This is a low market cap stock, not very much interest from all the investors side. There is a news that R.K. Damani is bought this stock. Might be just because some big investor is bought, we should not step into this kind of stocks and all. We don't know for what reason they have bought. Suppose we are buying a stock, we need confirmation. There should be some support from the profit side. All the other investors should be interested. Only then the stock can move up. Let's see how the stock chart pattern is. Monthly chart is showing super bullishness. When the stock hit low in March, that time indicators were showing very high bullish divergence. So divergence is when the indicator has a higher low, when the stock price hits a lower low. That's what happened in March. After that, stock went into a big upsurge and gave a very big push. Now it's in the sideways. It requires a push now. Some strength is required, otherwise this stock will not move up. So it coincides with the profit. When the profit went up, stock price also went up. Now when the profit is declined, stock price is declined. So this is actuals that happens in the market. If a company is not supporting its stock price with profits, automatically it will drop. People will not buy, actual investors will not buy a stock which is not making profit. There can be some speculative interest in some stocks, just price can run up with expectations, and sometimes that expectation can be genuine too, because after some time that expectation will be met in the balance sheet numbers and stock will start holding the price. If suppose it is not met, it can collapse. So when such kind of deviations are there, it's better to have a stop loss which will help us protect our capital as well as the profits. So for Astra Micro Products, it has a bullish long-term chart. As of now, right edge, it's been non-trending. When a trend opens up, this can have a very big run also. Now it is cooling down, so needs a push. Once there is a breakout, we can buy. All the views shared and our thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Investors who want to buy stocks that are discussed in our reviews, do your judgment, make a decision, get comfortable on what you are buying, and then buy the stocks. Thank you.